Hello everyone, today we will solve LeetCode problem 1578. So here we have given n balloons arranged on a row, and you are given a zero index string colors where colors of I is the color of ith balloon. So and also we have one more array that name neededTime. There we have time. So what that means, let's understand this thing by one example. Here we have this row, and whenever we get balloons with the same color, adjacent balloons like these both are with the same color, then we have to delete one balloon from here to get different type of colors of balloons on a row. Similarly here these three balloons are different color, so the output will be 0, and here the two same, and also these two balloons are same. Okay, so the first thing we can do here, we can run a for loop. Then whenever let's assume here we have two balloons, so if they both are with same color, when we will remove the the bigger one, and we will stay the smaller one there. Then also in the next step, whenever we got some new balloon, but in that case we have one problem. Let me show you what problem we will get there. AAC. Okay, so let's assume we have, if A B A C. So here we will start from here. We will run a for loop. Now here A not equal to B, so we will move forward. B not equal to A, we move forward. A is equal to C. Here we will check the minimum values. For first A the value is 4, and for second A the value is 3, then we will remove the first A and we will continue with the second A. Then also, now if there are 3A, in that scenario we will get one error, because now let's assume we have to delete these both A's, because this is the minimum needed time. Now let's assume these three, for these threes the needed time is 6 for 5, so it is good to delete these two sorry, smaller one. We have to get the minimum time, that's why. So we can delete these two as, and if we follow the first rule, then we will delete this 6th, and then we will delete the 5. But this process will take too much time, because in every step we have to delete a character from our string, so the time complexity will be of n in each step, so the overall time complexity will be of n square, and that is not a good solution. And let's assume if here we have one more A with the time complex with the needed time is 4. In that scenario also we will compare, then we will compare this thing, then we will compare, in the end we will get the result. So there is another solution we have. Let's assume if we get this string with the same character. So here we have these four integers, and we can take the sum of this array, and then because we have to delete all the elements here, if we take our array string A, in that scenario in the end there will be only one A. So for that, which A this we also have needed time, so this A should be with the maximum needed time, like the 7th, and then we have to delete these 3, 6, 4, 5 balloons. So we can do one thing, we can take the sum of this array with the maximum number, and in the end we can return sum minus maximum number. So now here we have to first of all get the array with the same characters. So now let's try to write the code. Hope you understand the logic. If you didn't, then you will understand that logic here. First of all, we have our length, len of needed time. If our length is equal to 0, in that scenario our answer will be, because there we have only one balloon, so the answer will be 0. Now in the else condition, we have 4 parameter answer. Then here we can use while loop or for loop, it's on us. So let's try to, we will use while loop here. Then here we have the maximum number and our sum for the string with same character, 0, 0, sum will be float of minus infinity, because we have to get the maximum number, and also here we have 0. Now while I is less than length, so now of max will be max of max comma needed time of I, and our sum will be needed time. Simply we can add that thing here, and here we have to do one thing. We have to get the sum for the characters, for the same characters. Like here we have AA, this is a string with same characters, so we have to get the sum and max value for that. So what we can do, if colors of I not equal to colors of I plus 1, then we have to do, our answer will be increased by sum minus max, or you can remove this thing, sum minus max, and now our sum will be 0, and our max value now will it will be float of minus infinity. Here also we have to use float and our I will increase by 1. But here now let's assume we will get one problem in the end, like we have a string a b a, so this if condition will not run there, so we have to do that thing outside of our while loop. How? If sum not equal to 0, then we have to perform the same operation, like these both things, and also our sum answer, and in the end we can return our answer. And one more thing, here we have to write length minus 1, because we are comparing this ith character with I plus 1 character. If we go from I to I is less than length, in that scenario we will get one error. So now let's try to run this code. Yeah, it is running perfectly fine. Let's submit it. Okay, it is running perfectly fine. Now I will explain you this solution one more time. First of all, actually we have to remove if there are same balloons in a row. Like here we have 2 blue balloons in a row, so we have to get only one balloon here. There will be no same balloon with the same color in adjacent balloons. Okay, so that's why we have to remove all the balloons. And if here we have 3 balloons with the same color, then we have to delete 2 balloons. So in that scenario we have to get the minimum sum. So for that we have to catch our maximum time in that row and also the sum, so that we can perform things in of one time complexity. And currently the time complexity of this algorithm is of n. So hope you understand the solution. Basically whenever we got the balloons with same color, in that string we have to get the total sum and also the maximum needed time in that string, and then we can perform these operations. So if you have any doubt in this solution, you can comment, and also if you want to get the solution of some other problem, then also you can comment that problem number in the comment section. Thank you for watching this video.